In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, who is the God of this universe, who praised the man from the gods of blood vessels and gave him the great title of Prophet. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am here to find peace in the remembrance of Allah. That's ala bi dhikrillahi tatma'innul qulub. So let's get started. According to research by David B. Larson of the American National Health Research Center and his teams, comparison of devout and non-religious Americans have given very surprising results. For instance, religious people suffer 60% less heart disease than those with little or no religious belief. The suicide rate among them is 100% lower. They suffer far lower level of high blood pressure. And this ratio is 7.1 among smokers. Secular psychologists tend to refer to similar figures as psychological effects. This means that belief raises people's spirit and this contributes to health. This explanation may indeed be reasonable, but a more striking conclusion emerges when the subject is examined. Belief in Allah is much stronger than any other psychological influence. The wide-ranging research into the connection between physical health and religious belief is carried out by Dr. Herbert Manson of Harvard Medical Faculty. He has produced a surprising conclusion in this area. Despite not being a believer himself, Dr. Benson has concluded that no belief provides as much mental peace as belief in Allah. What is the reason for this connection between human soul, body, and belief? The conclusion is reached by skilled researcher Benson in his own words that body and mind are regulated to believe in Allah. This fact, which the world of medicine has slowly begun to appreciate, is a secret revealed in Quran in these words, "Ala bi dhikrillahi tatma'innul qulub." Only the remembrance of Allah can hurt find peace. It's verse 28, chapter 13, Surah Al-Ra'd. The reason why who believes, who prays and trusts in Him are psychologically healthier is that they behave in accordance with the purpose of their creations. Philosophies and systems which contradict the human creation always lead to pain and unhappiness. Modern medicine is now trending towards the realization of truth. As Patrick Link puts his scientific research in psychology, over the past of 25 years, he had demonstrated that religious belief is one of the most consistent components of overall physical and mental happiness. Thank you for giving me some time.